What do you think? So, this is what we're working on. Working on a hat. Got the patch. Now we gotta get Candy. Candy's gonna sew that on for us. We're looking forward to it. So I'm going with this hat, and then I'm looking at some other hats. If you guys don't mind, let me know what kind of hats are you looking for? What do you like? So obviously I don't really care for the flat bill look. I know some of you guys do. I don't mind the trucker style hat, but I don't leave the bill all straight. And I actually like those slope back ones, like my obnoxious orange PBR hat that I wear all the time. So if you don't mind, leave me some comments on that. Let me know what you think, because these hats, we're working on it, and I'm trying to save cost so that you guys will get the best deal on the hats we can find. So I'm looking for bulk. It's better for us if we can buy in bulk to get a better deal, so we can get a better deal to you guys. So if everybody can agree on like this trucker style hat, with the mesh and the snapback, let me know that. If there's something else that, you guys got to have, because there's flex fit, there's flat bill, like really flat bill, and then there's the ones you can actually bend and make more comfortable, and then of course there's the slope back hats like my PBR that I told you about. I am a fan of that hat, by the way, so I might be looking into some other ones. This is our first go around. We're going to try and get these patches on the hats. Also, let me know if you don't mind this. I'm asking a lot. I'm asking for a lot of comments this time, guys. But here's something else I need to know. Someone had mentioned putting the patch off to the side, and for me, it doesn't work. I don't know if it's my OCD. I'm not sure what it is. But if that's something you guys want, because we're getting the hats and the patches, I don't think it's going to be difficult to do for you. You just need to let us know a little bit ahead of time. I'm going to keep you updated on how these hats come along. So please give me comments, give me feedback. Let me know what you think of the hats as we move through this, because this is new for me. I wear my goofy sun hat, Tilly hats, and I wear my PBR hat. That's it. I don't go hat shopping, guys. The pins have stayed on that hat for a long time. I stole that PBR hat from my brother many years ago, and he still complains about it every once in a while, but he never wears hats, so I figure it's a fair deal. So that's what's going on. As you know, I was busy this past week at the day job. We're doing a big test with some sense and avoid equipment on the unmanned aircraft. The idea being, if the aircraft that's flying, the unmanned aircraft, can fly through the air and look out in front of it, or possibly behind it too, depending on whether it's a radar system or a camera system or whatever these folks are working on, then they will be able to remain clear of all other aircraft, and they can safely operate in the airspace. So that's the nerd stuff that I work on in the daytime up at the university, and I was honestly having a blast with it, but we were slammed because we were working real early in the morning till late in the evening to make sure we got all these tests done. So that's why this YouTube, I'm knocking it out. It is Sunday afternoon, or actually it's Sunday evening, and the reason I'm doing it so late is because it's beautiful up here in Alaska right now. If you guys don't know, it's like 45, 50 degrees all day long, and for us up here this time of year, that's not normal, folks. We are not used to that. So when we realized how nice it was, we hopped in the car and we drove down to Delta Junction, just because the views alone. I'll throw some of the pictures in that we took today. I didn't take any video, unfortunately, and I should have done that. I'm gonna have to get better at this YouTube for you guys. Otherwise, why would you watch? All right, so I'll do my best. I'll keep working on it. But I'll throw in some pictures of some stuff. They've got a train car down there. I don't know if they're gonna make it into a restaurant or what. And then the views along the river where the ice is breaking up. It looks amazing. There are still folks out on the ice for Birch Lake. That was kind of amazing. And then I saw a car on the lake still. I don't know if we're gonna see news about how it goes through, because man, that kind of temperature, I'm not gonna be out there on the ice fishing. I don't think that's the best idea. So I wouldn't be doing that. Another thing I want to tell you guys about, let's talk about packaging just a little bit. So when we ship our stuff out, because we're up here in Alaska, we're a little bit of a disadvantage for some of these other companies in the lower 48. That's not a whine, that's just a fact. Because of that fact, we reuse a lot of the bubble wrap or the paper that comes with some of the stuff that we get. A couple reasons for that. I wouldn't call Courtney and I all out hippies, but we don't hate the earth or anything, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna do our best to reuse as much as possible. We think that's a good idea. So we're gonna reuse it. We're gonna make sure that it's packaged in a manner that it's gonna show up to you the way that it should. That way it's not broken, it's not leaking, or there's any problems with it. If you were to have a problem like that, please message us anywhere, Facebook, Instagram, shoot me something through here, email, whatever you need to do. Let me know about that, because you're going to be talking to either me or Courtney, and we'll be able to fix this problem and get it taken care of. So all you got to do is just let us know so we can take care of it. But that's some of the reasons we don't have some of the packaging that some other companies might do. Not knocking it, it's just a direction we've gone. And then I'm kind of the guy that I'm not big on that stuff. Like I'm terrible about wrapping presents. When I give presents, I'm more like, well, here's the present. I don't understand the whole wrapping thing. So I guess that's one of my weaknesses, is what I'm telling you guys. It's not a thing to me. I don't get concerned about it. So we went with things like the coasters that you guys get in the orders. I think these are cool, by the way. I have a blast with them because, well, I like beer. So because I like beer, I don't mind having coasters. So I thought these were great, and you can throw them out there on your, your bar downstairs in your basement that I know some of you guys have. So that's why we went with these. The patches, the stickers, those are things. Oh, and that tape, we got the tape on the outside of the box. That's about as fancy as we get. I don't know if we'll get fancier as things get better and the company grows. I guess you guys could let me know. Is that important to you? Are you concerned about how it shows up, as long as it's in good shape and it's not, we don't have boxes that look terrible, by the way. We just don't go out of our way to buy expensive things to add to the cost. That's the reason you guys are getting an oil for $10 and a balm for $16, or the whole kit for $49 with balm, wash, oil, mustache wax. I mean, everything in there. That's if you guys look around for all natural, handmade, by a small company, that's a deal. You're getting into the territory of the stuff with alcohol and everything else in it. And remember, we don't have, but we have 2 carrier oils, jojoba and sweet almond, because those are what matter, and then some scent oils to make it smell nice. That's our reasoning behind it. Let us know what you think. Help me with the hats. I really had a blast on our trip down to Delta Junction when we got to go see a good friend of mine, David. He lives down there, so we were able to eat with him. And then we just took our sweet time, the whole family, taking pictures along the way, enjoying the scenery. I don't even think I passed but 2 cars because they were, looking at other things. We didn't see any moose today. We did see plenty of mountains and the ice breaking up. So with that, I think I'm going to let you guys go, and that is my short, quick video. Let me know what you think of these hats. This thing's already pretty comfortable, so I think it's going to work out. How bad I am at YouTube, I had to add this because I forgot to say, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and then hit that thumbs up and give us some comments. Let us know what's going on. Yes, I'm going to have to get better at these videos, so you guys will hang around. Hope you enjoyed what we had to offer. And in between here, you should have seen some pictures of the trip. We had a really good time on it. Thanks, guys. Again, keep your face jacket on.